So you mean to say, you have business systems, you grow the business from scratch, 5 years okay kayo, nag-enroll ka sa mga courses, and you're telling me you don't feel ready? Any more questions? Ano pa? So ano yung paghahandaan mo? Do you have SOPs na in everything? O yun, so okay na pala eh. Do you have employee handbook?
Yes. Feeling po namin like strong na yung system to put on a next level. Kaya like ma-attend po kami ng mga seminars.
So ang next level mo is, ano yung value sa'yo ng system? Tama ba? Hindi mo alam paano pepresyohan? May presyo ka na rin ba?
Ang inisip ko po kasi organic growth lang. Yung parang siguro isa lang or dalawa lang muna para like makita namin kung like paano siya mag-work. Kasi sa amin nag-work eh. Kumbaga doon sa partner namin kasi parang ang gusto kong i-duplicate yung success. Kasi minsan yung success sa amin, baka hindi success sa kanila yon. And to think na yung business kasi like halo-halo, seasonal siya, hindi siya ganun kadaling i-operate kapag nasa
Well,
food
pag
business
pumunta ka ng Laguna, walang season doon. Lagi kaming summer doon.
Yes. Actually, sir, I believe in that. Kasi nga, people think na kapag mga seasonal product daw,
Dali mo ng Los Baños yan. You know Los Baños? Pansol? You know Pansol? O
Yes,
may
pa.
resort kami doon.
Cool.
Ang mabibili halo-halo nyo doon kahit madaling araw. Kahit madaling araw doon, mainit
sobrang
eh.
daming tao, sir.
Exactly. Sobrang dami rin resort. You know, it's so okay. Do you have also an SOP in market research or you SOP
CRM
nyo
po.
kung oo?
CRM. Yun.
No, market research as well and feasibilities.
Yes, meron po.
Yun. So yun ang binebenta mo, yung system mo. The question is, how much are you willing to sell this for? Kasi ito I'm gonna be honest, okay lang?
Please.
It's king, okay?
Sige po.
Kung ako negosyante ako, matalino ako. Gusto ko mag-franchise sa'yo. Gusto ko matuto sa'yo. Pag pinarasyohan mo ako ng mura, pwedeng bumili lang ako ng franchise for the sake na makuha ko yung sistema. Tapos i-apply ko yan sa iba kong negosyo. Nothing wrong with that. Except, how much is the value of your system? Kasi in franchising, you're not selling the products, you're selling the system. Pag naibigay mo yung sistema, copy-paste na lang yan sa ibang negosyo. So you have to know how to value yourself. Diyan na papasok yung, pag nagpa-franchise ka na, meron ka dapat malinaw na contracts. Malinaw na black and white. Pag hindi sunod, kakasuhan mo talaga. May lawyer po tayo dito. May lawyer tayo dito. Ay, spatter ni. Student natin yan ng Ultimate Mastery. Graduate din ng lead. Alam na nakakatawa sa community, magugulat ka, lawyer pala yun. Ano pala yun? Sundalo, Philippine, yung lagi kong kasana nakabantay sa akin. Philippine Navy, ganon. So, contracts. Ano pa? Ano pang mga bottlenecks mo?
Ano po, personal naman po.
Yeah.
Sometimes po kasi, I am being torn if I am playing safe or talagang, like, hindi ko sure kung ano eh. Parang kasing ang feeling ko sometimes, nagmamadali ako. Or sometimes, nagpi-play safe ako. Kasi, I know success takes time. Pero sometimes kasi parang, I also believe that it's a decision na nagagawin ko. Pero kasi parang minsan, kapag magdi-decide ako for, big decision, iniisip ko minsan kung
So what's holding you back to make the big decision?
readiness po siguro.
Yeah. So you mean to say, you have business systems, you grow the business from scratch, 5 years okay kayo, you have your team with you, at yung team mo, ayos yung itsura, well taken care of, they have the right mindset, nag-enroll ka sa mga courses, and you're telling me you don't feel ready? I don't think this is a ready problem. I think this is a worse problem than that. And maybe this is a conversation for lead. Although, baka kung kaya mong i-open dito, pwede naman. Right? I can go all out Tony Robbins right now if you want. But here's the idea. I think you have something in your mind right now, in your heart right now, na may na-experience kang mabigat dati that you made a big decision pero hindi maganda yung nangyari. Is that it?
Actually,
Nag-react sila.
the battle now kasi hindi na lang ako eh. Like, imagine,
I know.
30 people.
But they are here because they believe in you. Sino dito sa mga leaders na naniniwala sa kanya? Sino dito yung hindi ka naman part ng business niya pero parang naniniwala ka rin sa kanya? Because look, you have absolute certainty when it comes to... Pansin, sino dito, who among you agrees with me, napansin nyo, when he talks about halo-halo, he's really happy, no? Confident ako sa systems. Pitang kita, confident ako sa systems, confident ako sa kaya kong gawin, right? I'm really confident sa may systems kami, mag-grow kami, okay kami, ganito. Pero pagdating na sa sarili mo, ba't wala na? So I think this is more of a personal problem than a business problem.